Overnight at around 1 a.m., deputies witnessed a wrong-way driver on Tampa Road in Oldsmar. The elderly female driver almost struck several vehicles, including a semi-truck. She failed to yield to deputies when they attempted several times to pull her over. A successful pit maneuver was conducted, and the vehicle was ultimately stopped.
Pull over! I'm in the Hillsborough now, coming up to that target.
Go ahead. Alright, I'm gonna pivot. Alright, I got the pit. It's at Silver Mill Drive and Hillsborough Ave.
Thanks to the quick actions of our deputies, there were no injuries and several lives were potentially saved. The driver admitted to being under the influence and was charged with DUI.